Hi, my name is Dr. Vic Mittle. I'm with Shine Dental Associates of the North Shore. I want to talk to you about sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a very serious medical condition. It can affect your life, it can affect your health, your personal life, your social life, and even your career. Sleep apnea is a condition in which you stop breathing while you're sleeping. And it can last for a few seconds. I've even seen it last for even a minute or so. And the way sleep apnea works is when you're not breathing in your sleep, it can affect a whole slew of other conditions, from respiratory issues, from heart disease. You can't concentrate, you can't focus. And you're hearing a lot about it now in the news. There's a lot of train accidents, car accidents, truck accidents. That's because they literally fall asleep behind the wheel. It's a very serious condition. It can take your life. One of the major symptoms of sleep apnea is snoring. And that's why we always say don't ignore the snore, because it's very important. If you snore or have sleep apnea, please call us for free consultation. Let me help you. There are ways how we can treat sleep apnea. One of the ways is the CPAP machine. Now, that's something with your physician and something that you can work with. Now, a lot of patients may not tolerate the CPAP machine. It's that machine where you typically see it has the mask that goes right over with a little hose. It's a little uncomfortable, not bearable, but it is the treatment of choice. However, if you cannot tolerate it or if you just don't want to wear it, one of the things what we can do is make you an oral appliance. This is something that you wear right over your teeth. So the way sleep apnea works is this is the way you normally bite. We make an oral appliance. You open up separate pieces. One goes on top. One goes on the bottom. What it does is you can't bite on your back jaw anymore. It actually advances you forward. So now you're actually breathing on your own passively. FDA approved, medical insurance accepted, great for mild to moderate sleep apnea, treatment of choice, CPAP non-compliant. Remember, this is FDA approved, medical insurance is accepted with this. It is the treatment of choice for mild to moderate sleep apnea. If you have any questions regarding snoring, sleep apnea, please call us for a free consultation. Let me help you sleep better and dream bigger.